Hello dear Taurians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. I hope you all are doing great. Alright. Beginning with the predictions for the month of August 2020. Here we have this first card, Age of Pentacles. Yeah. So Taurus, what I'm seeing is you have been trying to improve your business, improve your career, or improve your earning potential. Is it so? Or to do this, you are also looking for some new opportunities, or you're looking a change in your job, in your career front, something like that, or enhancement of your business, broadening your scope and all. So yeah, this is the right time, Taurus. Actually, what I'm seeing is no, you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded for your efforts, and very soon you will be getting a new opportunity to move forward. And this is because of your second card, Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups actually gives this opportunity to move forward with a new opportunity. Actually, this is a new opportunity coming your way, which is of your choice, which is something. Yeah, I wanted to work in some office. I mean, for some position, something that you always want to aspire, and then you were struggling for it. You actually wanted, you were looking for some increment in your job, right, or some expansion of your business. So these kind of things, or to get some new projects for your business again, your professional life. So these kind of things, when you are struggling with that, actually when you are putting all your efforts, here is the time, and you will definitely going to have a new start in your career front, a new start, a new love life also might blossom, Taurians, right? So it's actually a very good opportunity to understand. Important is you should able to understand this. Yes, this is the thing. This is the right thing for you actually, and the new opportunity which is going to come up, or the new love that is going to come up, is something going to change your life for better. Okay, so try to make the most of it, right? Because now, when it comes to the third card here, I have this Nine of Wands, and this Nine of Wands says, what I'm seeing is lot of struggle going on in your career front. Actually, not in your personal side, not on your personal life, but maybe you are struggling with the health also. There is a possibility that you are struggling with a lot of health issues since past few days, or you are struggling with some job, in your job. No, you have to just sustain there. You're just sustaining there for the sake of working, for the sake of earning, or you are just doing your best in your in your career, in your business, and still the results were not coming. So yes, this Nine of Wands actually says that, yeah, here is the here is, here is, it's actually not the end of your struggle, but at the same time it says ki at some aspect of your life where you are struggling a lot, is like, it's just like you are now about to end, you have now reached to the end of this phase. So it's a last fight. Okay, so you have to no, you have to be prepared to face this last fight. Okay, yeah, yeah, you got me right. So this is the last fight. Yes, there is one more fight, Taurians. So just be prepared with that. Don't give up, because now you are about to hit. You are about to end this struggle. You will be very soon rewarded for your struggle. If it is in a personal life, in a relationship also, yes, just hold it for some more time. Okay, I know Taurians are very strong, so yeah, so I just want you to hold it for some more time, and just wait, so that you will be rewarded. Of course, when we put all our efforts, we definitely get a reward to this from the universe, isn't it? So just have your faith, keep your vibes positive, and just keep struggling with it. Keep holding yourself strong. Okay, and if it is in your health issue, then I definitely say ki yes, take a good decision, take a, develop some good habits, or be uh, No, just concentrate, focus on your health issues. Probably your body wants to say something. Probably your body is not prepared to take so much of stress. So listen to your body first. This is very important because it's ultimately we live in this body. So we have to, we have. It is our responsibility to take care of it properly, right? So you are actually, maybe we sometimes neglect when we are focusing on a job, when we focus on a personal life and all, we actually forget ourselves. We actually forget, yes, we are going through, our body is actually losing that that energy. Now it also needs some rest. It also asking us to slow down. So just listen to your body and react it accordingly, because this is something which is going to be with you, which is actually going to be with us till we die. Right. So just hold yourself tight, right? And be prepared for this last fight tolerance. Uh, yeah. Now the energy card says victory. As I said, yes. So there is a victory ahead, Taurus. There's definitely a victory coming on your way. It can be an internal conflict which is going inside you, or it can be the external one also, in your professional, in your friend, in your personal life, anything external relationships and all. So yes, but there is going to be a victory coming your way. So this card is what the energy card has already spoke to, already directed us towards this, pointing us to this. And we have our universal card also again. Here it is. So this card says, the moment I realign with love, clear direction is presented to me. Right? So we need to realign with ourselves with true love. Clear direction is presented to me. That means love is nothing but, from the universe love, the universal love, and we just have to align ourselves with the universe, and definitely we will be, no, the universe is going to guide us with proper things, proper, the required directions and all. So we just have to flow with the universe. Okay. So I think this is what is, quite sorry. So this is what these cards are telling about your prediction for the month of August 2020. Do let me know how are you finding it. If you want to, if you are looking for something else, some other different kinds of predictions, do comment me, and do like and subscribe to my channel also, and do follow me on my Facebook for latest updates. Okay, I see you then again next month, dear Taurians. Till then, I wish you good luck. Bye bye. Take care.